What's the name of this lake?
San Pablo.
San Pablo. And that's the volcano, right? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Is that one the volcano too?
Volcano Imbabura.
Wow.
Imbabura. No, the other one.
No, not only this one.
Yeah.
Only this one. Wow. Oh, so beautiful.